If you use WhatsApp a lot, you've probably tapped that small download arrow on photos and videos over and over again. But what if I told you there's a simple setting that makes WhatsApp automatically save everything with just one click on both iPhone and Android? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it on so you never have to manually download your media again. Let's get straight into it. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. The steps are the same for both, so you can follow along easily. Now, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and go into Settings. Once you're inside, scroll down and open Storage and Data. Here's where the magic happens. Under this section, you'll find Media Auto Download. This feature controls what type of content, photos, videos, audio, or documents should automatically save to your phone without any extra taps. If you want photos to always save instantly, just select them under both when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi. You can also enable it for roaming, but keep in mind that roaming data might cost extra, so choose that only if you really need it. Once you've checked the media types you want, tap OK or simply go back. That's it. From now on, any photos or videos you receive will automatically show up inside your phone's gallery. No extra steps, no extra clicks, completely effortless. It's a quick change, but it saves you tons of time, especially if you're constantly downloading files from friends, groups, or work chats. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and stick around for more easy, practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.